So what is the drone? The drone will have 3 classification of operation, which is open, specific, and certified. So for the certified, they are already awareness requirement how to get the drone certified. There are 5 now, which is certification spec, light unmanned aircraft system, certification spec, light unmanned rotorcraft system, certification spec, light unmanned multi-rotor system, and certification spec, unmanned aircraft system for large heavier drone. And also you may also apply for CS LSA light sport aircraft, because the 4 LOAS, LUMRS, and US are not allowed to carry people, but LSA is a light sport aircraft which they also be able to carry pilots, co-pilot, or the people on board the aircraft. So that could be an option for you if you want to carry people. You may go for the CS LSA light sport aircraft. So how does this categorize in Europe? Open is low risk, specific is increased risk, and certified is comparable to manned aircraft. So that is the philosophy of open, specific, and certified. The detail, I believe the CA will lay out this in the 6011. However, there are already indication of they will go toward this. And what happened? What we need to do? We need to apply for approval in design. So I focus more on certification. For you to have a certified drone, if you are in the operation, high risk operation, you have to do SORA, special operation risk assessment. If your SORA indicate that you need to have certified drone, and then you have no choice, you have to go for certified drone. So here I'm not going through how to do the SORA. We will do it some other time. However, here focus on how to get the drone certified.